In this video, we're going to talk about freeze protection. To check our freeze protection, we want to go to Menu, System Setup, and Freeze Protection. On the left side of the screen, we can quickly see the devices that are associated with our freeze protection. And also, it is important to make sure that all of your pumps and water features are associated with the freeze protection. Here, we can quickly see that our cleaner pump is associated with freeze protection. If we select it one time, it will turn the X off, indicating that the cleaner pump is now not associated with freeze protection. If we select it again, the X will return. At this point, we can hit Save. From this screen, we can quickly see the current setting for our freeze protection temperature. In this case, ours is set at 35, and we could adjust it by clearing it out and putting in a new value. We recommend leaving the temperature setting a few degrees above freezing. This will give us a little room for error in the event that the temperature sensor is slightly off. On the left side of the screen, the X represents the devices that are associated with our freeze protection. We can scroll up and down through our screen to see all of our devices. It's important to make sure that all your pumps and water features are associated with freeze protection. To change this selection, you simply select the item, and the X will either appear or disappear. The X shows us that the item is associated with freeze protection. To turn the X back on, we simply select it again. Once we're done making changes, we can select Save. This concludes verifying the settings of our freeze protection.